Hey, it's Tom
And Mike,
from Take Time to Travel.
we stayed in Da Nang, Vietnam for 1 month in a spacious apartment at the a la carte hotel, which had a picturesque rooftop pool and was right across the street from My Khe Beach. Today, we're going to take you on a full tour, and at the end, we'll share how much it cost.
We'll start at the main street along the beach, which is lined with lots of hotel towers and is right across from the East Sea Park, which has a lovely promenade and many palm trees. One of the many hotels on this street is the a la carte hotel where we stayed. It's the bluish-green one on the corner. Let's make our way inside the a la carte hotel and show you around.
There's an open lobby with a large comfortable seating area surrounded by windows, and then right at the back there's a cafe, and on the left side is the reception check-in desk. Now let's head over to the elevator bank and show you the apartment tour.
So this is the doorway in from the hall, and as soon as you come in on my left, we have a small fridge here that has a freezer inside and then also a microwave. And then we have a 2-burner stove. We haven't really used it at all. It does have an exhaust hood up above and a sink. There's a kettle. There is dishes here. I'm not sure why they're all spread out on the counter, but anyway, that's the way we found them. There's a couple of shelves, but they don't seem to be put on there. And then over this way, Mike, we have a good sized dining table and there's 4 chairs. We have used it as a bit of a workspace. And then above it, we've got some kind of a fancy hanging light overhead. And then further in the living room, we have a good sized sofa and coffee table in front. Mike has his computer set up there. And then across from that, we have a flat screen TV. And I have some artwork that I've sort of been collecting, and I do take it with me wherever we go. And then come on out this way, Mike. We always have to have a balcony wherever we go, or we try and have one, and this one is no different. So we've got a balcony with a couple of seats here and a small table, and then directly across from it there is a construction project, but fortunately they haven't been working the whole time we've been here. And then we do have quite a nice view. Across the road there is the beach, and the waves are always coming in on the beach. Very nice view. And then back through this way, Mike. So back around here, through this door, is the bedroom. And this bedroom, as soon as you come in on the left-hand side here, my left-hand side, is a good-sized closet. And it does have a small security safe. And then we do have a flat screen TV across from it. We haven't tried it, but I'm sure it must work. A king-size bed, and then you'll notice across from the bed is just a wall of windows, so that's been really nice to wake up and you can see the ocean from there and hear the waves breaking onto the beach. And then I'm not sure if you can see it, but over in the distance where the mountain is, there is the tall Lady Buddha over there in the pagoda, which is a main site here, an attraction in Da Nang. And then come on back to this way, Mike. We do have a small, I don't know if it's a desk or maybe a makeup table. We haven't used it though. And then we do have an ensuite bathroom. So as soon as you step in, there's the sink and a mirror above it, and then the toilet. And then further along, good sized shower, which we've really enjoyed. Nice hot showers. The water's really been hot here and good water pressure. So come on back through this way and we'll head back through the living room and the kitchen. And then in this room, this is another bedroom we've got. So it's got 2 single beds. They're raised up on a little bit of a platform, and we do have all our luggage stashed in here because we're leaving here tomorrow, and there is a spot to hang your clothes up and a luggage rack and that. And then there also is an ensuite bathroom here, and pretty much the same type of setup with the sink and the mirror, the toilet, and then it too has a good sized shower in it. So So we've enjoyed staying here for the last almost a month, 28 nights, and we'll be leaving tomorrow.
Another reason that we enjoyed the hotel was for its beautiful 24th floor infinity edge pool with panoramic views overlooking Mike Beach, as well as the sea and the Sontra Peninsula Mountains. There's also a bar and restaurant up here. We just wish there was a better seating area to enjoy the views.
But the main reason that we chose to stay at the a la carte hotel was that it was right across the street from this incredible beach, as well as this lovely green space called the East Sea Park. The tropical park fronted right out onto Mike Beach, where you could often find a game of beach volleyball being played.
Mike Beach itself is a stunning white sand beach lined with palm trees that stretches in both directions for kilometers. Right on the beach, and just a short walk from our hotel, there's a nice promenade with many attractive restaurants and eateries, as well as some inviting cafes.
One place that we quite liked was the Lounge Beach Bar and Restaurant, which was right on the sandy shore. We like to sit on the terrace and enjoy the spectacular views of the beach and the sounds of the waves rolling in. To drink, we would order a couple of Strongbow ciders with a glass of ice on the side. We also ordered their chicken pizza on a different day, which was really tasty, but unfortunately, we forgot to film it.
And on the street just behind our hotel, we found some more delicious food here at this little stall called Banh Mi Suna, I think. Although we had to go early because she closed around 10 a.m.
We would sit down on these little plastic stools and enjoy a couple of banh mi's for breakfast. To eat, we would have the banh mi's with fried egg, which were loaded with toppings and only cost 20,000 dong each. They were the best banh mi's that we've ever had, even better than the ones in Hoi An recommended by Anthony Bourdain. We just wish she'd been open later in the day.
Also just behind our hotel, we'd always hear the Bun Bao motorbike going by with this loud recording.
Bánh bao, bánh bao đây.
So one night, we decided to give the Bun Bao a try, which he keeps piping hot on this wood-burning stove on the back of his bike. The Bun Bao was pretty big and only cost 20,000 dong, but I didn't really like it and probably wouldn't get one again. We're not sure what was inside, but I think there was even a quail egg in there.
If you enjoyed this apartment tour in Da Nang, then you'll definitely want to check out where we stayed in Hoi An and in Bangkok, Thailand.
And remember, take time to travel. Catch you on the next one.